Oh boy, check this out. Listen, this video is about networking. Leveraging people is the second most greatest thing to marketing, because there's a free way to get promotions. It's just a little bit of talking and a little bit of doing your part. So if you don't mind doing the physical end instead of spending the money, networking is everything. Visit these networking events that fit your niche. Basically, if there's a listening party going, if you're an artist and there's a listening party in your local area, go to it. You can use it for business too. If you're in a service or you have a product and someone's doing a pop-up shop, go to it. Give them your cards, pass it out. You never know what can happen. But as an artist, by networking, you never know who you might find out there. You might find A&Rs, bloggers, people like me, music marketers that need product. Like, an artist to me is a product. So if I'm giving you views, if I'm getting you views, I'm doing my job. So visit my website, link in description, if you want one-on-one consultation. I talk to everyone. Or go visit me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in description. Hit me in DM, bro. Hey, let's get to work. Make this money. I'm out of here though.